With 25% of all people choosing to start an apprenticeship in health or care, why not explore how apprenticeships could help your organisation? What is an apprenticeship in care? An apprenticeship could be for care worker roles, specialist roles, and supervisor or management roles. It offers a way to train, develop new skills, and achieve nationally recognised qualifications while earning. The qualifications gained are a mix of on-the-job learning and communication and numeracy skills. Suitable for anyone aged 16 plus, an apprenticeship typically takes between 18 months to 2 years to complete and are funded by the Welsh Government. Why should you consider taking on an apprentice in your organisation? It gives opportunities for people to gain experience in a specific role. It helps people gain the qualifications needed for the job, while building knowledge, skills and experience that can help deliver quality services. You'll nurture and develop your apprentice to grow within the values of your organisation. You and your apprentice will be supported by a recognised learning provider. Help start a person's career in care with an apprenticeship.